Back, artistic family. Shenanigans and Art Designs. As always, glad you guys are here. So today I have this 12 by 24 inch canvas. It's already pre-primed. I have some aluminum foil here, which I've used several times. I'll link my textured art playlist for you. But sometimes, you guys know, I will texture a canvas and then paint it, but not show you the textured portion on canvas. And I have lots of people that ask me about my aluminum foil, and although I have done tutorials on them, we're going to do another quick demonstration today. So I'm simply just going to take enough to cover what I want to cover and the size of the canvas. And then you can use Mod Podge, you can use all kinds of other different mediums. Here I'm using Liquitex Heavy Gloss Gel, which is used, it's a very versatile product, but I also like to use it for an adhesive because it works extremely well. So all I'm going to do is, you've got a dull side and a shiny side that you guys know I love. And I want this to kind of be a little bit off center, so I don't want it centered, okay? Always thinking about rule of thirds. So I want it to be about here. So I'm just going to start applying my glue, my adhesive. And you can also add water to this, and I do that because it spreads it out a little bit quicker. And it still makes it adhere to the surface, or whatever you're applying to the surface, just as easy. And then, like I said, I want the shiny side. So I'm just going to line this up here. Now you can use your hands and make all kinds of different impressions and different effects in the texture. And I also like to spread it with a spatula as well, just to make sure I get the air bubbles or any air pockets out of it as well. And then when I'm happy with that, I just simply fold the sides down like that. Go across again just to make sure everything is sticking. And then I fold the excess underneath, which I cut off later on. So now you can just simply use your hands, as I often do, or go ahead and use the spatula to add your impressions and create your designs and your patterns. And I love how this looks like broken glass or shattered ice. It's very appealing, and especially with the gorgeous reflection, as you can see here. So let's go ahead and get painting. Can see the dried result, and that's just from two simple colors. Really beautiful, isn't it? It had this really golden color. Now it's kind of shifted the color nuances with the black into like a bronze, and I'm just really loving how this looks. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's keep painting. I'm loving how the paint comes apart. It's really beautiful effect. And if anyone's new, that's happening because the paint has a lot of water on it from spritzing with the water bottle. And then of course using the paintbrush back and forth is going to pull up the paint. And it just creates this beautiful effect. And I will leave all of that there because it looks like it's almost it's very rustic. It has a rustic feel to it and somewhat of a vintage feel. And I'm just loving how all the textures and patterns are coming together. It's looking great. I can't wait to continue.